Hello everyone, today we're gonna make Barbacoa de Borrego. I have all the ingredients right here. Come on. So this is the lamb Borrego. We have 2 pounds of lamb shake with bones. We have a shoulder without bones. And here we have only 2 chiles. For this recipe you only need 2 chiles, Chilie Ancho and Chile Guajillo. I'll show you right here. So this one is black. You have to open it and peel it and take all the seeds. And this one the same. This is Chile Guajillo. You see, we're gonna open it for you. We're gonna show you all the process. We have laurel, hojas de laurel in español, and these ones enhance the flavor too. We have a garlic, pepper, and salt. The most important ingredient is actually, this is the secret ingredient. This one enhances the flavor for everything, and this one is avocado leaf, hojas de avocado, hojas de aguacate. You see? So I have everything here. We're gonna blend all those ingredients. We put it in the blender, and after that we're gonna take the meat and put it right here, and we're gonna pour the blend here. We're gonna tie everything, and we're gonna put also. You don't blend the hojas de aguacate. You don't blend this. This is separate. Just put it around. And after that, always remember you have to enjoy yourself. For this. Can be with a nice beer or something that will refresh you for a little bit. And remember, always drink safe. And this is your money maker. Why you go for the cheaper ones? So enjoy yourself having a beer. And I will show you all the process. Okay, my friends? Salud. Okay, I have all the chiles. So I have my 2 chile, what's it called? Chile negro. And I put it there. And also chile guajillo. I already take all the seeds out. I put it right here. So you put it there, you put it there, you put it there. Oh, this one still has it. So everything you have to do is remove all the seeds, like this. Make sure you can use a knife to open it, like this. Otherwise, you can, you're gonna have your fingers full of chile. Be careful touching your eyes or your face because you can get a little burn with chiles. So after that, you put everything here. Put the ajo too, right? And don't put this yet. You're gonna put salt, whatever you like, like this, and put a little bit of pepper. It's meat, just a little bit, give you a little flavor. And after that, you smush everything down. You put a filtered water, right? Don't fill it up too much, just up to here, enough to cover the meat. That's it. And after that. Put it back to the blender. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And just blend it until you see everything is blend. So after you see this color, it means it's blended up. It has a nice barbacoa color. It's kind of red. So I have the meat ready right here. So I open my package. I'm gonna put first the lamb shake because it has the bones. You don't have to do nothing. Just put it right here on the Crock-pot. And also put another one. Just make it a nice way. Yeah, action, Luca. Yeah. My little son say action. So get on. So just put all the meat right there. And make sure to put the leaf. The leaves just going around. Put a few. You don't have to put a lot. Yeah, more action, Luca. So after that, just put the secret ingredients. So this is the avocado leaf. Just put it around, a few. Right? You can always go around and find more avocado leaf. Don't worry if you spend the whole thing. Okay, that's it. Put a few, and then put the whole blend liquid right here. Make sure cover the whole area. And don't worry if it doesn't really cover, because the meat, when this hot, it will melt. It will create liquid actually also as well. And make sure it's just like that, right? It's just dip everything in between. Yeah. Here you go. And then you can pour a little bit more of water if you need. Just with the same blend. Just wrap it up and pour it. Make it nicer. That's it. And now, if you want, put a little more salt. Just sprinkle it on the top. You're gonna put in more salt when it's done. You're gonna make it taste better. And after that, I have my timer right here for 8 hours. So I'm just gonna connect it. I have my timer. If you don't have these new ones, you can use a timer. Connect your stuff. Put it for 8 hours and just plug it in. And then put the lid on top. Close it nicely. And come in here, Luca. We're gonna say goodbye to everyone. Just put it low. That's it. Put it low, Luca. Put it low. 1, turn. 1, 2. Warm right there. Make sure this one is on. And that's it. Say goodbye to everyone. This is Luca.
Bye.
We're gonna test it when it's done, right? Okay, no bye. We're gonna test it yet. Alright. So 8 hours have been passed, and I'm just preparing a salsa right now. This is the next day. So I'm just gonna finish adding just a little lemon for my salsa. So you can see it. So this is like a little pico de gallo or salsa mexicana. Poco de sal, and some chile. It's just like so we can test it. That's it. So we put it here. I have my tortillas, and we're gonna open this right now. So this one's already 8 hours here in low cook. So we're gonna open it and see what is inside. So you can tell right now the meat is really soft. It's actually falling apart. And you can see the bone right here.
Can I watch?
Yeah, pero we're filming. Okay, now.
Why camera action?
Yeah, action.
Do it fast.
So the meat is already
action?
out.
Why
So we're gonna
action?
we're gonna cut it. You wanna test it, Luca? Yeah, mira, ven. Test it a little bit. No? Okay, yo me lo como. So this is really soft. And you can see the bones actually just come up by himself. Look at that. Wow. And now we're gonna take a little piece right here. You see? The meat is just falling apart. And I want to take a little piece right here. Put a little bit of salsa. We're gonna test it. Delicioso. Muy sabroso. Try it. Come to try it. Little piece, Luca. No le gusta. So that's how it is. You can put a little bit of salsa too from here. You make a little wet and taste a little better.